Hey there, it's Brittany, and I recently got an email from Anne-Marie saying she sent something my way. I can't believe it. It's here 2 days later. She's all the way in Canada. It says, best wishes for a happy holiday season. That's so cute. I asked her, I was like, hey, how's the weather there? She said she's thriving in the cold and she loves it. And I more power to you, Anne-Marie. I can't take it. It's been like 40 here at night and it's killing me. But look at these cute little stickers. We got a hedgehog and a cute little polar bear and some trees and some snowflakes. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love it. And you know what? I've been looking for like a box to put some of my Christmas jewelry in, and maybe I'll recycle this one to do that with. That sounds fun. So let's pop into it and see what's in here. It would be great if this was cookies too. I mean, I'm not going to be picky, although I should be since I'm gluten intolerant. It's cookie season. I can't be picky. Oh, cute. Oh, I love it. Oh, nope, it's not. It's beads, not cookies. Just as yummy, though. Oh my gosh. The first thing I'm seeing is this. I think it's Preonite. I think I might have maybe one strand, and if I have more than one strand, the other one came from Anne-Marie. Oh my goodness. I love it, and I love that you marked the bag. Thank you. I'll just write AM on there so I remember that it's from you. These are really pretty. I'm going to scooch in a little bit, get a little bit of better lighting here. These are gorgeous. They're faceted coins with inclusions. I love that. I'm gonna have to come up with something worthy of such pretty beads though. I love that. Thank you, Anne-Marie. Ooh, we see some pearls. She sent me some beautiful pearls, and I made a video, oh gosh, at the beginning of November using them, and I haven't posted it yet because I haven't had time to edit it and I did that one as a voiceover, so that one's just behind, but the necklace is gorgeous. I got so many compliments when I wore it in Cleveland, and it's mostly due to the beautiful beads from Anne-Marie. A cute little panda charm. He's going in my little pendant box, or pendant drawer, and then they're just gorgeous pearls. She sent me some of the most gorgeous pearls over the last year. These are beautiful. Thank you. Then I'm seeing some check glass. She always sends the most beautiful check glass. Let's see I love these. I love, love, love these. These would actually go with some of my Molly wedding beads too, because they're those bright colors. Beautiful. And then we have, oh, I haven't seen this shape before. They're like a lantern, like a table cut lantern. Oh my goodness, I've never seen those. It's almost like a satellite bead but cut down the middle. That is so crazy. I love these. Thank you, Anne-Marie. I love seeing beads I've never seen before. So, and then she sent it in a different color too. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. It's turquoise and brown and green and white. Looks like some early 2000s scrapbook paper that I had. And I love it. Oh my gosh, so like retro looking. Look at this big guy. Oh my gosh. So this is called like swirl. That's the type of glass. So it's got an opaque inside of a transparent glass. Beautiful color. It's like a amber, like beer color. And then some red rondelles with a Picasso finish. So a lot of you say, where can I get these beads? Anne-Marie does not sell beads, but you can use the descriptions that I'm saying in searches on Google and Etsy. So like this one would be a red Picasso rondelle, and these are check glass. Then we have some Jet Picasso table cut guys. These are pretty cool. I love Jet Picasso. Oh, beautiful. Look at these. They're like little egg shapes, but they've got a beautiful Picasso. They're like, I'm almost thinking that it's a white bead, but also a turquoise bead with a heavy Picasso, and there's some purple and green in there too. Those are so Stunning. I love them, love them, love them. They look like little dinosaur eggs. And then we have some beautiful little daisies with an AB on the turquoise. So cute. Loved using those as spacers. All right, and then it looks like we have some gemstones. I'm guessing this is rose quartz. And it's just a regular, but I love the shape. It's like large chips. Beautiful. And then there's one crystal quartz in there too. Oh, there's a sharp one right there. And these are so cool. I love them. I would almost like just say put it part of a necklace like that, and then some beautiful recycled glass up the top. Oh, gorgeous. Or vice versa. Seems pretty light to be amethyst, but it could be. Kunzite. Okay, I would have not in 100 years guessed that because I don't really know much about it. It's beautiful. It's like a pale lavender color, and it's really pretty. I don't know if it's showing up that pretty on the camera, but it's so pale and gorgeous. And the size is perfect. Azurite and malachite. Beautiful 10mm rounds. So blue. I always think these look like little earth balls, like little planets hanging out on a string. So much fun. And we have poppy jasper. Oh, this is so pretty. It looks a lot like red jasper, which I love, love, love. I don't know why I have such a fixation on red jasper because I don't like red, and it's usually pretty simple, but I love the terracotta color of some red jaspers, and this just reminds me of that. And then it looks like it has some agate in it, but it's so beautiful. I love it. Beautiful. Thank you, Anne-Marie. And then we've got, what is this one? I think these are Z agate. Oh, molten fire agate. Okay, very interesting. They're very similar to Z agate with some of the swirls and the dots, but they're so cool. I've never seen one that looks like that. That is so neat. This is such a cool strand. And that one almost looks like wood. So cool. Thank you, Emery. That color, it's so vibrant. The red with the orange and the brown. And the baggie has a cab, so this one has a picture jasper cab. I love picture jasper. Love it. Gorgeous. Wow. Oh, it's not a cab. It's a pendant. Even better. Although I want to use it as a cab with polymer clay. Gosh, I want to do so much with polymer clay, but I'm like hesitant to get everything out because I'm trying to sell my house, and I just don't want to get anything dirty. It's been a real heck of a month here. Next we have hemimorphite. I don't know if I have any of this. I do now. A cute little cab, and it looks a lot like Larimar, but it's not. I don't know much about hemimorphite, but it's gorgeous. Beautiful coloration. And then we have some other kind of jasper, I think, but I can't remember what the name of this one is. Magliano or Malisano. I don't know if that's a G or an S, but so it's either Malagano or Malisano jasper. Beautiful. I'll put the correct one up on the screen. It's gorgeous. I love it. I love the gray with the mustard and the orange. Beautiful. And then last but not least, we have some Mookaite puffed squares. I love them. This is going to be a beautiful bracelet, either with copper or antique brass and maybe some leaves or something. I already see it in my brain. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Emery. Everything is my favorite. Everything is my favorite. I really, really, really enjoyed these new beads that I haven't seen before. We're probably going to start seeing these on the market somewhere. And the pearls, of course. So thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. And I appreciate all of you who watch my channel. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching. And stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.